A. Get with adjectives for changes.
It's light. It's getting dark. It's dark.
She's ill. She's getting better. She's better, or she's well.
I'm getting tired. I want to go to bed.
It's raining. I'm getting wet.
B. Get with nouns.
If you don't have something, you can get it.
I want to send a postcard. I have to get a stamp.
I'm going to the shop to get a newspaper.
Do you want a drink? I can get some coffee.
Where can I get a taxi?
I've finished my studies. Now I want to get a job.
My friend is ill. Please get a doctor.
C. Expressions.
Maria and David are getting married in April.
When you get to New York, call me.
OK. Give me your number.
How can I get to the airport?
Take the airport bus at the bus station.
I'll see you when you get back from Hong Kong.